Kitsune, a cocktail tribute to Tomoe from Kami-sama Kiss, the 500-year-old white fox familiar. Pale silver white like his hair, gentle florals, and a slow ginger warmth that builds. Looks like moonlight on fresh snow. Drinks like 500 years of quiet devotion. 8 elements go into this fox's drink. Junmai Daiginjo sake, shochu or clear vodka, white peach liqueur, elderflower, fresh yuzu juice, white tea ginger syrup, a single drop of rice vinegar, and 1 flower petal to float on top. Start with 1.5 ounces of Junmai Daiginjo sake, the most polished, rice-forward sake you can find. Sake has over 1,000 years of tradition, which makes it exactly right for a 500-year-old fox spirit. Dasai or Hakkaisen are both elegant picks. No sake on hand? A dry white vermouth works in a pinch. Add 1/2 ounce of shochu or clear vodka, 1/2 ounce of white peach liqueur, 1/4 ounce of Saint Germain elderflower, and 1/2 ounce of fresh yuzu juice. The peach and elderflower are the soft side, the gentle surface Tomoe shows around Nanami when his guard drops. The yuzu is his tsundere edge, bright, clean, slightly bitter. If you can't find yuzu, 2 parts lemon to 1 part lime plus a pinch of grapefruit zest will get you close. 1/2 ounce of white tea ginger syrup, and 1 single drop of rice vinegar. The syrup is the slow warmth that builds. You don't notice it at first, and then it's there. Like Tomoe's feelings, the rice vinegar brightens everything. To make the syrup yourself, steep 2 white tea bags and a 1-inch slice of fresh ginger in a cup of boiling water for 4 minutes. Remove both. Dissolve a cup of sugar while warm, and cool. Add everything to a mixing glass with ice. Stir, don't shake, gently for 30 seconds. Stirring keeps the drink silver clear. Shaking would make it cloudy. This drink is composed. Strain into a chilled coupe. The drink should be a pale, luminous silver white. Float 1 single cherry blossom petal or a thin pear slice on the surface. 1 beautiful, solitary thing. Sprinkle silver leaf flake if you have it. And optionally, float 1/4 ounce of overproof clear spirit on top and ignite it. The flame burns a soft foxfire blue. The kitsune is delicate and floral up front, brightened by yuzu, with a slow warm ginger tea finish that lingers. Soft but not sweet, quietly dangerous, like Tomoe himself. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.